In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a Smartsheet to a workspace. We'll walk through this step by step so you can confidently organize your sheets into the right workspace and keep your projects tidy and easy to find. First, open your browser and go to the Smartsheet homepage. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account where your project sheet lives. The home area is your main hub. You'll see your recent items, favorites, and anything you've been working on lately. From here, look for the project sheet you want to move. This might be under Recents or in a folder, depending on how you've organized things. Go ahead and click on that project sheet to open it. Once it's open, you'll see your usual grid view or whichever view you last used. Next, we need to access the sheet's actions so we can duplicate and place it into a workspace. Look toward the top of the sheet for the menu or icon that opens more options for this sheet. It might appear as 3 dots or a menu labeled with additional actions. Click on that highlighted options menu. In the list that appears, choose Duplicate. Duplicating the sheet is useful because it allows you to place a copy into a new location or workspace without disturbing your original until you're ready. When you select Duplicate, a dialog box will pop up. In this dialog, you'll see the current location, which might show something like a folder or an existing workspace. Click on that current location so you can change where the duplicate will be stored. This will open a browser-style panel where you can pick a new destination. Now, select the option to view all workspaces. This expands the list of every workspace you have access to, which is where you can organize sheets by team, department, or project type. From this list, click on the workspace where you want the sheet to live. If it's a newly created workspace, just scroll until you see its name and select it. Once you've picked the correct workspace, confirm your choice by clicking OK in the dialog. This tells Smartsheet that you want the duplicated sheet to be placed there. Finally, click Duplicate again to complete the process. Smartsheet will create a copy of your original sheet and move that copy into the workspace you selected. After it finishes, you can go to that workspace to verify the sheet is there and start using it with your team. And that's how you move a Smartsheet to a workspace using duplication and workspace selection.